Hello, I'm Andy.
I'm Nancy.
Welcome back. Today's video, this is the largest slab I've ever done in concrete. I've really only done the 3-foot by 5-foot slabs for bear lockers. I've probably done 100 of them. So it's not like I haven't done any concrete work at this point, but this was by far the largest slab I had ever done. There were 3 of them in this campground, 2 that were this size, 1 that was just a little bit smaller. Yeah, Steve did the other 2. I basically took care of this one. It went well. It went really well. I was happy with the end results, but it was kind of nerve-wracking going into it.
What's the creek here? You go right around, or you come way out. Way out, like that? Yeah.
It worked out pretty well for a couple of rookies.
You should start doing this every day now?
Yeah.
It's gonna be close, isn't it? Yeah. Holy cow, go ahead, that's gonna be almost. I'm gonna put a little more 5 more gallon now, because we're gonna go to the next. Oh, shit. Yeah, I've never done that good. Look at it. Let's come off the edge. Let's take this out. I got it adjusted pretty good. Yeah, I got it. So if you do that, it gets stuck. It will, but all you do is go back forward. And you kind of shake it like that. If you got a hump, just kind of. This is the floater pull. And then the slicking. You got it then? I think so. And the other deal screws into this end. The float with the plow part.
Okay.
But it'll be a while.
Do you need my help down there when I do this run down there? The screen?
Maybe on the big one, yeah. That won't hurt.
Is that what you're going to now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be down there in a couple. Oh, shit.
That's what I mean, getting stuck.
Oh, fuck.
Want me to?
Fuck. No, it's that screw. I didn't see it. I didn't see that screw. I was coming out. I was done. How wet this still was until I just got down here by hand. Should have started this way, knowing what I was dealing with.
took me 29 seconds.
Still in the shadow?
Yeah.
There, now I got a better.
Oh, I'm sorry, man.
Listen. Yeah, when it's locked, you better don't move.
Like you did last week.
Yeah, running into that floor.
I bet it did. I was like, dang, man.
And it was,
That thing is
it
dangerous.
was 30 seconds before that you told me not to run into it. So, I felt as dumb as I felt, ouch, that hurt. Steve's at, what was it, Brittany and Ricky?
Oh,
And
yeah.
they have the pole like you'd have for a realty sign, painted
Yeah.
dark brown. I walked, no sign on it though. I walked square into it with my cheek yesterday. Right after Steve told me not to. This is the fun part about concrete, is now that it's all floated, the edges are done for the first time, I get to do this with the trowel. Why do I want to say it's not a trowel? There's the float, which I just got done doing. It's got to be a trowel, just having a mind fart. But either way, that's what's next. I can't do anything for about 20-30 minutes, let it dry. And then I'll have to do that about every 30 minutes or so until it's done. Maybe not quite that often, whatever it is. Stuff goes fast up here in the mountains, so once it goes, it's gone. But I'll shut you off and I'll be back in a few.
See, that almost could be broomed if it got away, you know?
Yeah. You see me and my slab? I still got to trawl it a time or two, but it's getting there. It's always nice that every time you go over it, it's a little bit nicer than the time before, a little bit nicer than the time before. Until you try to get that little bit out and then you fuck up a big area and you got to try to repair a whole area, but haven't done that yet, so wish me luck. I just trawled it all again with the big trawl, forgot to turn on the camera. Got a stupid grasshopper over there that jumped right in front of the trawl. He's just alive enough to get back out of his hole and left a hole for me now, but I think I just gotta go around the edge just one last time with the edger and I'm ready to broom this slab. Oh, and fix that grasshopper hole. No, don't jump off of it. Climb onto it. I get it. Now I'm going to get covered with everything else.
Can I put my name on it now?
Yeah.
It looks good now.
Yeah, now's the time.
It looks good now. Shoot.
Yeah. Yeah, it's coming.
Good. It looks good.
It's coming together now.
Dang, man, that looks good. It's losing its sheen like it's getting ready. Oh, yeah. See, that part got this. Heck yeah, see that could be broomed.